Hey there, I am Shorodip Biswas. Today I will going to do an unboxing and a instant review of a. So let me show you. So this is the Crompton Grips Trans Air 6-inch exhaust fan. I have purchased this from offline market around 1200 rupees. So this is a high speed fan. So as you can see, hub based design, high performance epoxy powder coated finish, bird skin for protection, available in these sizes. I have all the three sizes, but one thing to say, let's unbox it first, then I will say you what's the difference between these sizes, means except the size in the motor. So let me just quickly unbox this fan. So another thing to be noted about the MRP and this thing, this is the MRP is 1580, and as you can see it is a 2019 manufactured fan, 8 2019. So manufactured at Baddi Solan HP. So let's have a quick unboxing and see.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So as you can see, here is the fan. So this is the fan. So this is a PVC bird screen, and as you can see the build quality is very good, and the quality of the blades is, I think it is good. Let me see. Yes, it is not so thin and not so thick. It is good quality, means medium premium quality. And this is a Transair 6 2000 rpm motor. So this is a high speed fan. Mind one thing, this is a bush motor and not a double ball bearing motor. So as you can see, there are some ventilator holes provided just to cool the motor in case of the fan is running in long time. So let's try the fan. So this is the fan. Let's plug the fan. Let's turn it on. The airflow is good, means this is a 6-inch exhaust fan. The airflow is pretty good for a 6-inch fan. So let me just show you. There is no such noise or something like that regarding this fan. So this box is around the size of a ceiling fan box, as you can say a Crompton high speed box or a Crompton those kind of daycare boxes. So the exhaust is, means it looks light, but this is heavy. It's from the far distance this fan looks, there are some dust all around. Because previously I have tested this fan in the shop. So this fan have no such noise or something like that, and this is very much silent exhaust fan. So let's do an installation and just show it to you. One thing I will say you is that in the 6-inch segment, this is the best exhaust fan that I have seen in the market. This is really the best exhaust fan, because I have also observed Polar, Orient, Havels and many other such brands, Usha, but in this 6-inch segment I feel this is the best fan available in the market. If you want a 6-inch exhaust fan for your very small toilet or your very small kitchen, because generally we should prefer 9-inch in the kitchen application, but if you have a very small toilet or something like a very small room where you need an exhaust fan, so you may put this exhaust fan there, because this fan is a maintenance free exhaust fan. Only the thing is that this is a bush exhaust, so you have to oil the bush once a year. The oil required is generally car mobile oil, like this mobile oil that I am showing you. Generally this kind of GTX Essential or any kind of mobiles that is available for your motorcycle or for your vehicle, or if you don't have a vehicle or motorcycle whatever, try to put some hair oil, because hair oil is also very good for the bush, because hair oil is very thin, coconut oil or whatever the oil that is available in the market, the used for hair, except that of the cold oils, because don't use that red color cold oils that is available in the market. Use some normal hair oils that will also work good for these bushes. So let's install it. If you just want to remove the bird screen, no worries, just remove the 4 bolts from here, means the 4 nuts, these 4 nuts from these middle ones, and you will get rid of this bird screen. So this is a PVC bird screen and this is the fan. So let me show you the fan running without a bird screen. Generally without bird screen the fan gives 1 to 2% more breeze, because the bird screen is physically an obstruction only. Same for the table fan and pedestal fan. So this is the performance. So let's install the fan. So I have installed the fan, as you can see. Always remember in your mind that to keep these oil holes in the upper side of the fan, so that in future you can lubricate the fan, and if you put the oil in sideways or in bottom ways, the remaining oil inside the fan will spill in your entire room. So always put these oil caps in the upper side of the motor. So let's turn on the fan. So this is the fan. Let's show you. This fan is very good for this kind of toilet application, because generally 6-inch fans are used in toilet, and the airflow is also very good, as you know. So this is the fan after installation. As you can see, the airflow is also nice. So I will say you, this is a very silent exhaust fan. This exhaust don't have much noise. So let's close the window and try to turn on the exhaust to make the maximum airflow noise in the room. So this is the sound only. The sound is very smooth. So in the review, I am always saying you this is a very good exhaust fan. So you can purchase this exhaust fan from your offline stores. Better I will suggest you to go for offline only, because you will get a great deal in offline rather than from the online. So this is the Crompton Grips Transair 6-inch exhaust fan. I hope you guys like the fan, like the video. So if you like the video, press the like button. If you have any comments, please place the comments in the comment section. and don't forget to subscribe my channel just to stay updated like this with new fans and accessories. Thank you guys for watching.